Welcome to the section on approaching the universe for your needs. The universe itself becomes a very close friend who is willing to give or go to the distance just so you can get what you want. It's like a magical genie. The universe will now conspire with you to make your dreams come true. And like a genie, all you have to do now is to ask for the things that matter to you. You should ask the universe the things that matter to you the most, and it shall be given to you by the universe. It shall be given to you by the universe, my dear folks. Please remember this. To make the universe a more familiar force in your life, think about the various incarnations of kind hearted and generous beings throughout the ages. Think of one particular incarnation that is familiar and warm to you. Some people say Santa Claus. Some remember asking for help from their guardian angels. No matter what the name or the form, all of these incarnations represent the universe itself in all its power and grandeur. What did you notice about all these incarnations of the universe? There are some common traits among all these incarnations. If you wish to benefit from their presence, you must establish as one-to-one relationship first. If you wish to receive something or some kind of help from them, you must first ask sincerely. You must show that you deserve what you are asking for. Through the past actions, determine your future outcomes each and every time. Now that we are clear about the basic principles regarding the universe and its relationship with you, let us move on to the process of approaching the universe for what you want in life. Though it may sound simple, you must understand the law of attraction is like a very precise measuring instrument. It is very precise in nature. It will recognize what you desire regardless of your awareness of what you are asking for. If you are always worried about your health, and if you focus on this type of negativity for a long period, you would most likely attract more illness than health. The law of attraction reflects true desires based on your emotions and thoughts. Does this mean that it is extremely complicated to ask something from the universe itself? Not really. You just have to be very precise and clear about what you want. Think of the universe as an extremely adept merchant who wants nothing more than to give you exactly what you want. But before he can do this, he must hear clearly what is it you really want. You can ask for many things in life, but each desire must be transmitted clearly to the universe. If you want to manifest things more quickly, imagine placing an order on online. You choose the product, click the order button and receive the goods. You don't click the buy or order button repeatedly just because you think your order may have forgotten lost somewhere. Your order once and wait for your goods. The same principle applies to the law of attraction. You just have to ask once, and that's all you need. If you perform this step with mental clarity and positive emotion, you transmit your order to the universe more efficiently. If the universe can talk, it would probably tell you I heard you loud and clear, boss. Please give your message loud and clear to the universe and attract, manifest the best desires of you which are there in deep of your thoughts. That's all we have in this section. Stay tuned. We'll catch you in the next section.